this is Kathy. As I promised, I will share a recipe to show you how to make that millet and pumpkin congee or porridge. The last time I just took my wisdom teeth. I cannot basically eat anything except that congee. So basically, millet and the pumpkin. This is a tiny one. You could get what kind of pumpkin, doesn't matter. So maybe 1 cup, this, wash it, millet, and then pumpkin cut into small piece with the skin. Okay, wash it, leave with the skin, and take out of the seed, of course, the pumpkin seed. But that's also very good food, one of the superfood, especially for men and for parasite. So this together, put in the big pot, a lot of water. After boil it, keep boiling, medium heat, maybe for another 1 hour, so that the congee will be ready. So simple, right? But you see this millet, yellow color, pumpkin also yellow color inside. This into our stomach and the spleen meridians. It could super beneficial for our spleen, for our stomach function, or our gut function, or our digestive system. So if you have fatigue, if you sometimes you feel bloating, you have no appetite, you sometimes difficult to lose weight, this all could be spleen qi deficiency. This could offer help. And as I mentioned, for me, I use it when I just take out my teeth, right? Or you're recovering from any surgery, or the young baby, or you just deliver the baby, or could make yourself millet and the pumpkin congee. You also could do one thing if you have a heavy period, or you have very bad sleep quality, like insomnia, couldn't sleep, feel some kind of anxiety. You also could add this one, Chinese dates. Make sure, cut it, something like this. Take out that seed, cut it, and then boil together. So these three together, suitable, very suitable for people, especially for female, had a heavy period, early period. They had maybe kind of anemia, a little bit, very poor sleep quality. So this could tonic their blood. At the same time, tonic their gut health. Because when people had a lot of stress, anxiety, usually their spleen function get affected. So by doing this, tonic our spleen qi, promote our digestion, make ourselves, whatever we eat, easy to absorb and transform properly to the nutrition that our body need. Another thing I want to emphasize, millet, according to Chinese medicine, is a little bit cooling type, and the pumpkin a little bit warm type. So these two together make the perfect combination that is suitable for anybody. Doesn't matter you're cold type, hot type, or even I don't know what type my body is, could take this too. Make it very suitable for all kinds of people's body type. So do you get this very simple recipe? So first, millet and pumpkin. So wash it, of course, cut into small pieces with the skin. So let me repeat. And take out the seeds and boil them. After boiling, keep boiling in a medium heat for maybe 1 hour, and then that congee is ready. And if you have some, for the female, had some insomnia or heavy period, could add this Chinese dates. Please follow me to my YouTube channel at Kathyhealthtips. I will share more recipe for the very common health concern from A to Z. Good luck.